Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 243 power x minus 1 plus 3 power 5x plus 1 is equals to 730 divided by 27 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'll take 243 power x minus 1. So we can call 243 as 3 power 5, whole power is x minus 1. So according to the x1 rule, that is x power m power n, we can call it as x power mn. So similarly, we can write it as 3 power 5 and x minus 1. So if we multiply, we can write it as 3 power 5x minus 5. So let's substitute the value. So we can write 3 power 5x minus 5 plus 3 power 5x plus 1 is equals to 730 by 27. Now, if I'll take 3 power 5x common, so what is left? 3 power minus 5 plus 3 power 1 is equals to 730 by 27. Because 3 power 5x minus 5, we can write it as 3 power 5x multiply 3 power minus 5. Similarly, 3 power 5x plus 1 also we can take it as 3 power 5x times 3 power. Now, 3 power 5x. So according to the exponent rule, that is x power minus n, we can write it as 1 over x power m. So we can write it as 1 over 3 power 5 plus 3 is equals to 730 by 27. So 3 power 5x, 1 over 3 power 5, we can write it as 243 plus 3 is equals to 730 by 27. If I'll take the LCM, so our denominator is 243. So 1 plus, if I'll multiply 3 by 243, I get 729 is equals to 730 by 27. So 3 power 5x times 730 by 243 is equals to 730 by 27. Now, I'll erase this portion to make the space. So 3 power 5x times 730 by 243 is equals to 730 by 27. So if I multiply by 243 by 730 both sides, so what I get, we can eliminate this. So 3 power 5x is equals to 243 by 27. So 3 power 5x in terms of 243, we can write it as 3 power 5 and 27, we can write it as 3 power 3. So according to exponent rule, that is x power m divided by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So 3 power 5x is equals to 3 power 5 minus 3. So 3 power 5x is equals to 3 power 2. So if we comparing both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 5x is equals to 2. If I'll divide both sides by 5, so the value of x will be 2 by 5. That's how we can find the value of x. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.